Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Today I have another smart home video for you, and this is going to be how to turn your wall switches into a smart Zigbee switch without getting into all that wiring, getting out all your tools. Maybe you don't like to remove wall switches from your home, or maybe you're in an apartment and you're not allowed to do that type of work to your wall switches. So, or maybe you just don't even like to even go to your fuse box, your main fuse circuit panel. In this case, we're going to make it simple. And this idea was brought to me by a YouTuber on my channel. His name was YouTuber 1000. Thank you. I appreciate all of you that participate in the comments below my smart home videos. It really helps other people that are watching my channel. So thank you, YouTuber 1000. And so let's get into it. This is the ThirdReality brand, and it's a Smart Switch Gen 3 Zigbee version. And it mounts right over top of your wall switch. Doesn't matter, it could be a paddle switch or a toggle, old-fashioned toggle light switch. Either one this will work with, and it's very easy to pair to your Alexa. Now you're going to need an Alexa with a hub in it. All the Alexa devices have Zigbee hubs if you buy the hub version of the Alexa device. And I'll leave the links to all those different versions of Alexa Echoes down below in the description. It could be like with the Echo Show device or the Echo 4th generation speaker with hub built in. So we're going to get into those and pair one of these up and actually mount it in my bathroom on one of my non-smart switches. Because actually, why would you want to waste the money, say $50 for a brand new wall switch that is smart built in, when you can use the switch that you already have in your wall just by adding this thing? And this thing I think is about 20 to 25 bucks each. So you'd be saving lots of money, turning your home into a smart home for cheap. So let's try it out. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back, and you can see this is the unboxing. Everything's laid out here, what you get in the box. It looks very simple, right? And you do have these little pads here. You might say, hey, what are these, Todd? These are for the paddle switches that you might have, your non-smart paddle switches. Just stick these on, and it will help this smart generation Zigbee switch to slide its mechanism over top of your paddle with this nice little slide sticker on here. Give it a nice smooth glide so there's no binding. And it does come with a pack of spacers and extended screws you're going to need as well. You're going to need extended screws because you're going to want to put these attachments on to your plate screws. You're not even going to take your plate off. Don't worry about that. You're not going to get to exposed wires at all, so don't be afraid of this little project. And so first of all, let's get this thing paired. It comes with the batteries as well. And the battery compartment is right here. Remove that tab and there's your batteries. So we've already got it battery powered up. And here's the mechanism. This thing just goes up and down. You can also operate it manually just by pressing this button for on or off position of your toggle or paddle switch. But first, let's get it paired to our Echo device. All right, the first thing we're going to do is open up our Alexa app. There's our Alexa. Go ahead and open that up, and then go down to, at the bottom right corner, second from the right, select devices. And then at the top right, you want to select your plus symbol right there to add a new device. Select plus, and then at the bottom, the screen will pop up, select add device. And then I always like to just scroll up to the bottom, and then there's other. We're going to add an other device, and the instructions on the ThirdReality Zigbee switch says to hold this button for 20 seconds, and that starts a light flashing up top rapidly, and then we can have it in discover mode. I'm holding it for 20 seconds. There it is. It's in discovery mode now. If you can see that light, I'm going to press other on our app and select discover devices. And then this process takes about 45 seconds. We'll see if it discovers. All right, it says one switch found. That should be our switch here. So I'm going to select setup device at the bottom of the app. Select that. Add your switch to a group. Choose group. Now I know this is going to be in my bathroom, so bathroom right here. Select bathroom. Add to group. Bottom button. Second switch added to bathroom and select continue. Second switch is ready to use. Select done. Now I'm going to scroll within my groups to bathroom and select bathroom group. And there it is under switches, second switch. I'm going to select that in this case because I want to rename it. And I'm going to select the gear at the top right corner of the app. And then where it says second switch, it says edit name. I'm going to select edit name. I'm going to back over this name and name this main bathroom, because I consider this my main bathroom light that we're going to stick this on, and select done. So we renamed it main bathroom. We can select back. Now it says the power is on this. See how that slide is up? I'm going to select on the app to do the power off. And it slides down for us. I'll do power on the app. Now I'm going to ask Alexa, Echo, turn off main bathroom. So it works with our voice commands as well. So now let's physically put this up, see what's involved. Should be easy. All right, so we're going to connect it to this main bathroom paddle switch. And this is just a regular paddle switch. It's not a smart switch. This one is for our sinks. This one's a ecobee smart switch. And so I have the sinks already automated. And I'm going to show you, you can actually automate these too. It just turns it into a real smart switch for you. So I'm going to open the little baggie here, because we need our extended screws, because we got to add the attachments. Here's the extended screws. They're longer than the original plate screws. And then we'll need these attachments. They kind of got like a round rib around it. So I need 2 of these for the upper and lower. And then they also have thick and thin spacers in case this switch is sticking out. This looks pretty flush to my wall plate, so I don't think I'll need the spacers in this case, but we'll see. Another thing you're going to need is the little slick sticky decal. You may want to clean this first. I'm going to try to center that on there. All right, nice and slick now with that decal. You're just going to need a small screwdriver like this, flathead, and unscrew this screw. And these screws you're going to replace with the longer screws. Okay, and now that's going to just attach right into here, into these anchors. We want to make sure, see, this is, I'm going to put it in the on position there. So this is in the on position. And clip this over. And I'm just going to test it manually. It's too tight. See guys, it's too tight because it got bound up. So we do need spacers in our case. Actually, I'm going to do the medium spacer, I think. the medium spacer. See, that's why they give you the extended screws, in case you do need the spacers as well. All right, let's see how this works out this time. Try it manually. Oh, that worked. That worked, guys. Try it again. Oh, that spacer might be too thick, at least at the top. Yeah, it's too thick at the top. So just pop it off. Now remember, if you ever have to replace your batteries, this thing just pops off. You replace it with 2 AAA batteries. They come with it originally. I'm going to put a thin spacer up top here. But we're not getting into any electrical, which is nice. All right, now I'm going to try it again. Turns it off. Turns it on. Try it again. Off. On. Guys, we got it. Here, I'll show you the light going on and off in our messy bathroom. I'm going to press the button. Press the button again. Actually, I'm going to ask Echo, turn on main bathroom. Guys, so we did it. We did it once again. Another smart home product. And this is probably one of the easiest ones I've hooked up, besides the Yo-Link garage door opener, the peel and stick technology. But I mean, you've got light switches all around your home. You don't need to replace them. They're in good shape. Get you a few of these at 20, 25 bucks a piece. Usually a smart light switch with Zigbee built in is going to cost you $50 or $55 or over. So it's a nice cheap replacement, battery operated. You don't even remove the switch panel. You don't even see wires. You're not exposed to your circuit breaker panel. And I want to thank YouTuber 1000 again. And guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another one of my smart home videos. And I'll see you on the next one.